A+ലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the ENCLAPS channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Welcome to the wonders of living world. Health is the greatest wealth. Nutrition and exercise all play an important role in maintaining a good health. Care should be taken not to be affected by the disease, but what if I get affected by the disease? Shouldn't I seek a treatment? If you approach doctor for treatment, the doctor will make diagnosis and prescribe medication. Medication, diet and rest will help us to regain our health. Now, what exactly is medicine? Medicines are substances that are extracted from plants, animals or microorganisms or chemicals that are synthesized in laboratories. Haven't you heard about antibiotics? What are antibiotics? Antibiotics are a group of drugs. Antibiotics are drugs that are used to kill bacteria and fungi. These are the medicines that can be applied on the body surface and inside the body. Antibiotics was discovered by Sir Alexander Fleming in 1928. He accidentally discovered the fungus Penicillin nodule, which has the ability to kill bacteria. But it took years before the drug could be extracted from it. Although antibiotics are effective drugs, their regular use can cause many side effects. The regular use promotes the resistance to antibiotics against germs, destroys the beneficial bacteria in the body, and reduces the number of certain vitamins in the body. Now, these are the major side effects of antibiotics. Just like antibiotics kill bacteria, antifungal drugs are used to kill fungi, and antiviral drugs are used to kill viruses. It is never advisable to self-medicate with antibiotics and other medications without a doctor's prescription. This is because the drug and the dose should be taken by determining the axis of the patient's condition and physical condition. Medications are harmful if not taken at the right time and in the right dose, which can lead to serious side effects. The accident is a condition that poses a health challenge, just like disease. In the event of accident, first aid is the care provided to overcome the risk until specialist treatment is taken. Timely first aid can save many from death. Providing artificial respiration are examples of first aid, including stringing a broken arm and wearing an airway obstruction. You often lose a lot of blood when accidents happen, don't you? How to fix the blood loss in such cases? The process is called blood transfusion. So if one wants to donate blood, another must be willing to donate blood, isn't it? Who can donate blood? Who should not donate blood? What are the things to look out when donating blood? People between the ages of 18 and 60 can donate blood. Blood can be donated every 3 months. Blood donation does not cause any health problems for the donor. Pregnant and lactating mothers should not donate blood. People with blood-borne diseases should not donate blood. Now the next question. Can one accept everyone's blood? Did you know that there are many blood types? Why check blood groups for blood transfusion? Let us examine the different blood types in human and the basics of determining blood types. The presence of antigens A and B on the surface of the red blood cells is the basis of grouping blood. Which of these antigens is on the person's blood? Certain antibodies found in the plasma are particularly important in blood transfusion. Group A blood contains antibody B and antigen A. Group B contains antibody A and antigen B. In addition to A and B antigens, some individuals may have antigen D or Rh factor in their blood group. Blood groups with Rh factor are known as positive and those without are called negative. Now let's see what are the different types of blood types and what are the antigens and antibodies they contain. Blood types, antigens, antibodies. Blood type A contains A antigen, B antibody. Blood type B contains B antigen, A antibody. AB contains A and B antigen and no antibody. O contains no antigen, A and B antibody. When antigens that are not found naturally in the person's blood, they enter the bloodstream. It stimulates the immune system. When incompatible blood is received, a blood clot forms by reacting with the antibody in the donor's blood and the antibody in the recipient's blood. So now it is clear that not everyone can accept all group blood. Just like in animals, do plants have immunizations? Like animals, plants have a system in order to prevent germs from entering and countering them. Plants are resistant to structural and biological means. Let's get acquainted with the defense mechanism of plants. Found in leaves, wax covering, cuticles. Prevents the entry of the diseases through the leaves of the bark. Protects the inner cells from direct contact of the pathogen. The cell wall of plant cells. It is well equipped a protective shield. Chemicals such as lignin, cutin and suberin strengthen the cell wall. The polysaccharide callose, which forms on the cell wall, prevents germs from penetrating into the cell wall. The well-being of the body also depends on the well-being of the external environment. Just as the body's immune system works well, we also have the responsibility to create immunity in the environment. See you again with good knowledge. Bye.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ എൻക്ലാപ്സ് ദ ലേണിംഗ് ആപ്പ്.